Hi, I'm Judy Zarit, and we live in Squirrel Hill and bought this townhouse about a year ago, and last winter I had Pittsburgh's Best do a remodel of the master bathroom. Well, probably it's knowing who you can trust. Read or hear about experiences people have where the thing takes too long or you don't get exactly what you want, people aren't listening to you. We've done a number of remodels, so we've had good and bad experiences. Well, we moved to Pittsburgh a few years back and aren't that familiar with people in the construction industry. So we actually ended up relying on the internet and people's reviews. And we found that everyone would have positive and negative ones, but Pittsburgh Best mainly had positive ones, more than any of the others. Oh, Missy was great. She came in, she listened to us, and when we went to pick out materials, she put out what she thought we would want. And we went and we looked at them, and probably 75% of them were exactly what we wanted, but she very quickly pivoted to some things that were slightly different and found things that we were really happy with. Those guys were great. They were here when they said they were going to. Every day during the construction, someone came and did something. I think what's really frustrating for a homeowner is when nobody shows up one day. They were always here, they were clean, they were so polite, they were so nice. It was really a pleasure having them. The professionalism. Everybody really knew how to do their job, and the results show it. I think you'd be well advised to hire them because they deliver exactly what they say they're going to. They give you a price, and that's the price it's going to be. It may be a little more than the next person, but you're going to get what you pay for. Having a functional bathroom. The one that they tore out had one of those giant jacuzzis in the corner that I don't know how you safely get in and out of, and a little tiny shower. So now we have a wonderful soaking tub and a great big shower. And my fancy. Thank you, Pittsburgh's Best. We love our new bathroom and really appreciated how easy you were to work with.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.